Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Volkswagen Atlas R-Line. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 pushing out 276 horsepower and 266 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 20-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. R-Line badging on the side, gray leather interior, panorama sunroof, rear captain's chair, rear climate controls, rear USB ports, third row seating. Coming around back, SEL Atlas V6 4Motion badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats, keyless entry, blind spot assist, power windows, memory seats, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, heated seats, dual climate controls, USB and auxiliary, automatic transmission, our different driving modes, emergency brake. This Volkswagen Atlas has 58,062 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volkswagen Atlas, check out feldmanimports.com.